Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brian with Fisher's Off-Road. In today's video, we're going to be continuing our Yamaha RMAX accessory series with the rear cargo box. Now this rear cargo box will fit anything 2018 and newer on the Yamaha Wolverine X4 and the RMAX4. Now I am super excited about this accessory. This is probably one of the most exciting, anticipated accessories that I'm going to be installing on our RMAX. And I know we put a lot of cool stuff on so far, and we got more cool stuff to put on. But for me, I'm that guy that's OCD about keeping my gear clean, dry, organized, and that's exactly what we're going to get with this rear cargo box. Now it's a 28-gallon storage box, so you can put a lot of gear in here. It has a rubber seal up top here to help keep out water, moisture, dust. You've also got some rubber latches here. You've got a padlock area so you can lock your gear up. That way, if you go somewhere, stop for lunch, it reduces the risk on somebody getting in there and stealing your gear. This is going to actually take the place of the tailgate. You won't even notice that this is a cargo box because you'll see the box looks exactly like the tailgate. It's going to take us about 30 minutes or so to get this thing installed, so let's get rolling. All right, so one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to remove the rear tailgate, and that's really simple. Just drop your tailgate. You're going to take a 10mm and you're going to get on the factory hardware here on these bolts. You're going to take those out. You're going to tip this up a little bit right till you get to that opening, and you're going to pull the tailgate off right like that. Now that you got your tailgate off, something I would recommend is taking your stock hardware, your bolts here, and I would put it back in the hole. So that way, when you do go to reuse your tailgate, if you ever want to take your cargo box off, you know exactly where your hardware is at. All right, now that we got the tailgate off, what we need to do is take these cover caps off right here in the bed, and just take a screwdriver, and you'll just get in here and pop these right off. You're going to take 1, 2, 3 off. So the 2 end ones, a middle one, and a middle one. That's what you'll take out. So you just pop these out. Just like that. Next thing we'll do is remove the stock hardware. You'll also want to hang on to these, put them in a bag, tape them to the tailgate, so that way when you go to reinstall your tailgate, you have all this hardware. Here's everything Yamaha sends you with the instructions. So you'll notice Yamaha gives you one M6x18 flange bolt, and they use that with the grease to chase the threads, so then you can put in your knurled knobs. Put some anti-seize on there. Take center bolt right on there. Kind of get it started a little bit. Run it in nice and easy. Bring it back out. All right, now let's get our cargo box in place. Just drop it right in there. There it is, man. Looks pretty smooth, sleek, streamlined. Now all we have to do is put these knurled knobs in there. This is the hardware that they send you. So we're gonna put these in here and tighten her down. Well, there we go, y'all. That's a wrap on the cargo box install. And quick tip for you, if you put this box in, you no longer have a tailgate back here, although it looks like you have a tailgate, you're just missing the handle. When you go to slide your seats forward, you're gonna have to do it from the driver or passenger side rear doors. Just open it up, put your hand up in there, and you can slide it forward. I've already done it. It's just the same as if you were in the back. It might even be a little bit easier. So a quick tip for you on that. MSRP on this box is $359.99. You can get it at shopyamaha.com or your local Yamaha dealer. 28 gallons of storage, baby. We can't wait to get this thing filled up and hit the trail. We'll see you guys. Take care. Have a good one.